Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the throttle cable on your Hedge trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Unthread the knob to detach the air filter housing. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the locking nut to detach the throttle cable. You can use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the cable retaining spring. Detach the cable from the swivel. Now use a 14mm wrench to unthread the nut securing the on-off switch. Use a flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab to release the handle cover. Fully remove the cover and detach the throttle control lock lever. Next, remove the throttle control lever and spring. Use the screwdriver to help detach the throttle cable from the handle assembly. Then remove the wire and cable conduit. Cut the tape that secures the conduit at both ends. You can now fully remove the old cable. Prepare the new throttle cable for installation by transferring the adjustment and locking nuts from the old cable to the new one. Now position the new cable in the conduit and retape the ends. Feed the wire and cable conduit into the handle. Now use the screwdriver to secure the cable in the retaining slot. Insert the end of the throttle cable into the throttle control lever and secure it in the slot. Now reposition the spring on the control lever and align the spring as you snap the lever into place. Now snap the lock lever into place. Align the eyelet terminal over the on-off switch. Position the handle cover. Then insert the switch through the hole in the cover and snap the cover into place. Thread the nut to secure the switch. Slide the retaining spring onto the opposite end of the new cable. Now align the end of the cable in the swivel on the carburetor. Position the retaining spring on the swivel to secure the cable. Align the cable on the bracket and tighten the locking nut. Reposition the air filter housing and thread the knob to secure. With the repair completed, reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your hedge trimmer should be ready for use.